Hi everyone, today I'm doing a bike check like I said I would for you. So, I'm gonna start from the top. I got some We the People Sea Murder bars in like eggplant grey or something like that. Got ODI long necks, snafu nylon bar ends, Primo Annihilator stem with a salt headset, salt stock forks, Maxxi's hookworm tyre with a clat trip and rim, salt spokes and a salt plus front hub, DK alloy peg. I got some snafu metal pedals. I got salt stock cranks with a salt stock bottom bracket. I got a salt plus salt plus light sprocket, something like that. It's really good, really light. I got a KMC chain. Got a stolen Thermalite seat post and just a stock white seat clamp. Got a radio by company seat. A fit FAF tan wool on the back and a salt peg. Same with a clat trip and rim, salt spokes and a salt plus rear hub. And the big thing is the frame, which is a We the People Trust 2011 in orange, and it's not sprayed, it came like this. And I'll do the hub sound for you. Alright, thanks for watching.